Hi, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Helldivers 2 servers at capacity. Please try again later error on a PC or a PS5. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So in this video, I'm just going to teach you the troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having this trouble. So the first thing that you can do here is to restart the Helldivers. So sometimes the simplest solution is the best. So just quit Hell servers or Helldivers rather to entirely and then relaunch it and you might get lucky and find a spot on the server. And after that, just choose your timing safely or wisely. So try playing during off-peak hours like early mornings or late nights when fewer players are likely to be online. And then next, what you can do is to check for server updates. The developers might post announcements about server maintenance or outages on the Helldivers 2 website or social media. So just check for updates before jumping into the game. And then lastly, what you can do is to contact support. So if this solutions doesn't work for you or don't work for you, just reach out to the Helldivers 2 support team and they can give you the best or latest info on server issues and potential fixes. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshootings that you can do if you're having the servers at capacity error on the Helldivers 2. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.